Just because no one else cannot heal or do your inner work for you doesn't mean you need to be alone. We Let It Be X are here with our Android application Health Buddy. I, Amisha, and my friends Rishabh and Tushar decided to build this application by getting affected by the suicidal case which happened in our college last winters. Because of lack of interaction with parents and peers, that guy committed suicide. Teenagers are more prone to mental health issues because of their shy behavior and lack of openness with parents and peers. WHO states that in India, per 1 lakh population, there are only 0.3 psychiatrists, which is supposed to be above 3. Mental disorder graph in India is likely to increase drastically from 7.5% in early 2021 to 20% in upcoming 2022.
So we have created a mobile application that has four key modules. The Health Buddy is a chatbot with which a user can share their thoughts and feelings as they would with a friend. It uses sentimental analysis to detect current mood of the user and respond accordingly. In the question module, we will ask user 5 basic questions daily, and with the help of their response and data from Azure Face API, we will determine user's current mental state. In the meditation module, we give user daily goals to complete to improve their mental health. In user profile, we suggest some basic activity to the user to improve their lifestyle. We have utilized Azure Cognitive Services to extract emotional data from user image and Azure App Service to deploy our backend API and Azure SQL database for storing all the result for further processing.
Talking about target audience is every person of every age group who are experiencing issues related to mental health or some sort of stress. Value proposition is its availability for 24 by 7, personalized suggestions for therapists or psychiatrists, which is available in our premium services, personal suggestions for user, meditation therapy, performance tracker, as well as privacy for user. As we have discussed earlier, the young age group user fear to discuss any situation with their peers or parents. So here we have a buddy for them, which keeps identity of the user to itself, so anyone can feel free to talk to them. Our go-to-market plan is that we can connect to psychiatrist clinic, yoga and meditation center, and also do some social networking, social marketing, as well as awareness activities. We are providing user a software as a service where we have different premium service plans, and we can also show advertisements in our application which are basically related to mental health, like games, meditation channels on YouTube, etc.
Happiness can be found even in the darkest of time if only one remembers to turn on the light. So let's together turn on the light and create a healthy mindset. So join us and support us in this kind act of ours towards the society. Thank you and have a wonderful day.